What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, we do have more updates, more news on Luna, and I'm guessing it is going to affect it in a positive way. So that's what we're going to be looking at today. How far can Luna go with all these updates and news, and also what has the CEO so far done? Luna CEO do want what has he done so far to help the situation, and any latest news, obviously, around this crypto as well. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So if you did see, Luna yesterday was pumping in value about 100% up yesterday, as you can see, a major increase on the 22nd and 23rd, as you can see here, and right now it is just about fluctuating and has dipped a little bit over the last 24 hours and in the last hour itself. So let's get straight into it. Again, before I say anything, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's quickly have a look at its trading volume. As you can see, it's the #1 trending crypto on the CoinMarketCap website. Now we can see the trading volume has again gone up by 24% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.7 billion. So it is increasing. More and more people are trading the crypto. We're seeing more buyers, more sellers, but obviously we are going to see way more buyers at the moment. More and more people are just stacking it up right now with all the news that's coming out. So do want addresses Terra Luna burn wallet says it does nothing. So as guys, if you did watch my video yesterday, you would have seen he did post an address on Twitter saying, the burn address, but he's saying that it won't do nothing, it won't help the value of Luna go up or down. So Terra UST and Luna crashed to zero last week, we all know that. Terra Form Labs founder Do Want suggested to hard fork Luna, create a new chain without bridging it to algorithmic elements. However, the community is divided on the prospects and has asked Do Want to burn Luna tokens instead. So that's what we've been discussing for the past week or so, about burn it instead of fork Luna and create a new blockchain. That's pretty much what most people want. However, the vote that was posted online may have been rigged, which I've already talked about, so I'm not going to talk about that right now. Do Want addresses Terra Luna burn wallet. So what has he said and what is his opinion on that? Terra Luna has a circulating supply of 6.5 trillion at present, and it's highly unlikely the numbers will reduce anytime soon. Many investors have been sending Luna to the burn address wallet address in the hopes of reducing its circulating supply. Do Want confirmed that sending Luna to the burn wallet does nothing, and investors will only lose their money and tokens, which is quite fascinating, because obviously a lot of people, most people would think that, burn Luna, create less. That means there's going to be less tokens, meaning it's going to drive its value up. However, according to Do Want, that is not the case. To clarify, as I've noted multiple times, I don't think sending tokens to this address to burn tokens is a good idea. Nothing happens except that you lose your tokens. Want there to be no confusion whatsoever. So as you can see here, want there to be no confusion whatsoever. This is the address that he has posted. As you can see, he posted it about a couple of days ago. May the 23rd is when he said this, but yesterday or the day before is when he posted this address here, which is the burn address. But apparently it doesn't do anything. So a user confronted him saying, then why tweet the address out again? One replied saying that he sent out the burn address as people kept asking for it. So again, yes, that is right, but again, if it doesn't do anything, why would you put it? Would you want more people to lose their money? Do you want people to lose their tokens? People kept asking for the burn address. Happy to provide for information purposes, but want to clarify that you should not burn tokens unless you know what you are doing. I, for one, cannot understand. So as you can see, that's basically the tweet. This was very, very early this morning. People are asking him, why are you doing it if it's not going to help? But again, we can't really blame him, because he's already said that it's not going to do anything. Don't burn it unless you know what you're doing. But if people keep on burning them, then he can't really control that. It is advised not to send Luna to the mentioned burn wallet, as it does little to reduce its circulating supply. At press time, Terra Luna was trading at this value here and is up 15% in the 24-hour trade, and right now it is dropping back down in value, but again, according to him, it doesn't do anything. So obviously the only thing we can do right now is wait and see, and see if it does have an effect on the value of Luna, or is it going to stay as it is. And we've also got another article here saying, let's have a look, why Binance CEO is against proposed Terra Luna fork. So we've got the CEO of Terra Luna saying not to burn it, and we've got the CEO of Binance saying he's against the Luna fork. So let's quickly have a look. Why is he against the fork? CZ has been vocal on Twitter following the Terra Luna crash. Initially, he halted trading of both Luna and Terra USD to protect traders from collapse of both. Terra USD is the algorithmic stablecoin at the heart of the Terra ecosystem, so on and so on. So here, Do One's recovery plan for Terra would see a new Luna token distributed among affected parties, but the Binance CEO would prefer to see a massive buyback and burn of existing Luna tokens to recover the current Terra ecosystem. So this is what he tweeted. The last few days we tried hard to support the Terra community. In my tweets, I am simply pointing out the potential issues from my understanding. Minting and forking don't create value. Buying back and burning does, but requires funds that the project team may not have. So at this point, they're literally saying two opposite things. The CEO of Binance is saying one thing, and the CEO of, or the founder of Terra Luna is saying another thing, which again is going to cause a lot of controversy. People saying, do this, do that, and obviously there's going to be people listening to the CEO of Binance, CZ, and people listening to the CEO of Terra Luna. So yeah, there's a lot of things going on right now. A Binance buyback and burn case study. I'm not going to go through the case study. Will Terra Luna fork go ahead? Obviously, we've already been through this. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. I want to find out how many of you guys want to burn and how many of you guys want to fork it. So as you can see, Do One shares Luna burn address but warns lunatics, so obviously Luna holders, against using it. Let me know what your predictions and your takes are on this, guys. Personally, burning is the way forward for myself anyway. I'd rather they burn it and then drive its price up, even if it doesn't do it straight away, over the long run, in the next few months or even few years. Even if it goes up to about 10 cents or $1, people would get their money back, or some of their money back even, especially people who have heavily invested into Luna. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm very intrigued to see what your comments are and your predictions and opinions are on what CZ and Do One are saying. But yeah, these are my latest updates and news on Luna, guys. I will be back with another one later on today if there are any major updates and major news, as I'm trying to bring you guys the most up-to-date latest news as much as I can on a daily basis. So yeah, make sure to stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. And as usual, guys, if you guys want to join my Telegram group chat, where I'll be posting regular and daily price predictions on Bitcoin to show you guys where to expect the market to go, upwards, downwards, so on and so on. And obviously, if you guys want to see what cryptos I'm buying and selling, all you need to do is click on the link in the description box down below to join the group chat. It is currently on offer for $14.99 using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount here is only valid for the first 100 members, and over half the spaces have already gone, and after that it will increase to $29.99. But any questions, any queries you guys may have before you join, just send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, the link is in the description box down below, ready for you guys to sign up. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.